Hello, welcome to Mr. Lamb Science Corner. Today we're going to do a little bit of a step back and we're going to do some math. And before you get too excited, we're not going to do any of the regular math, we're going to play a game. And to do this requires the manufacture of a grid 5 by 5. I did 1 inch, you can do 1.5 inch and still fit it on the paper. It's just a matter of real simple doing this. And then I don't have access to it, but I know that every elementary school hopefully has access to a laminating machine. You probably want to make these up in laminate. I started teaching in Arkansas and we did not have a laminating machine so far as I knew about. The 1 year I taught 7th grade math. And so I made up some squares like this, and then I did manage to make some copies so they could play 6 games. But the problem with doing this is that you're marking it with a pencil or pen, and they get used up. If you laminate this, okay, then you can go to a place like the Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or whatever you happen to have there, and I bought a series, I think they're actually for an aquarium, but you could buy something that will allow you to make marks. Okay, and the way you play the game, and I'll ask my camera person, to my lovely wife, to focus down on this. And Trominos is a real simple game, but it's a little bit tricky because it looks like tic-tac-toe, but it's a little bit different. And that is, number 1, diagonals don't count. So if you hit, the object is try to get 3 in a row, but if you get 3 in a row in a diagonal, nothing happens. You don't win. If you have 3 in a row, either vertically or horizontally, there's horizontal and there's vertical, then that's when you win. Okay? And the tricky part that makes it look like, sort of like tic-tac-toe, but it is enough different to really cause you to think, is that notice that the markers are not marked in any way. They're the same. So what happens is that both sides play off of the same thing. So if I put this here and my lovely wife puts this here, then I'm going to go like this and say I win. And she's going to say, no, wait a minute, you didn't win because you used my marker. And I say, that's the game. So it's a little bit wicked. It's a little bit different than tic-tac-toe, but it's a very easy game to learn. And you can, I put my marker here and she puts her marker there, and I can't get 3 in a row, so I've got to put marker, and so I'm going to put it here. And the first couple are very quick and easy to do, and then you got to really look, because if I put this here, well, that's a win for her. Or if I put it here, and if I put it there, I think I'm okay. So then she has to go through here, and very quickly it gets to the point where if I put this, I got 2 different ways of winning. So she can put it here, and now I've got to worry about where I can do this, and I think I'm going to put one right there. And then she's going to put one right here, and I'm going to, I can't do it there, or there, or there, or there, or there, or there. Yes, I think I can. Let's see, it's a diagonal. Okay, and now she goes, well, can't do that, or that, or that, or that, or here, there, and I think I won. So you can see that you can't get a whole lot of markers on the thing before you do this. Now, if you got laminated or something like this, you just slide over here and say, shall we play again? Okay? Thank you very much. Goodbye.